Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Health Survey data is available going back to 2012-13. For the most recent health survey data, select National Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Health Survey 2018-19. In this example, we will create a simple table with a crosstab of a risk factor variable at state and territory level geography. Let's create a table that would demonstrate the smoker status of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people aged 15 years and over in Queensland, South Australia, Western Australia, and Northern Territory. First, we will add in the geography. Geography is located in the household level folder. NATSIHS includes a different number of geographical areas, so you will need to decide which classification best suits your needs. We will select the Australian Statistical Geography Standard, Edition 2016, State Only, and add it to the column. Next, we will add smoker status into the table. Smoker status is located in the Persons level folder. Then Risk Factors, then Smoking, then Smoker Status. Then select Current Smoker Daily, Weekly, Less than Weekly, Ex-Smoker, Never Smoked. We will add them to the row of the table. The table is now ready to populate with data. If you want to display the relative standard error in your table, ensure that you select Excel 2007. This is located in the top right of the table view. Click on QTable and give your table a name. To view your populated data table, click on the three dots menu in the top right corner and click on Saved and Queued Tables. Then click the link to download your table. Open your downloaded table in Excel and click on Enable Editing. If you have selected Excel 2007, the first Data tab displays the estimates in thousands of people. These red corners are annotation symbols. If there's an annotation symbol in the top right of the cell, you can see the annotation details in the footnotes under the table. The second tab has the relative standard error. To save your table in TableBuilder, return to TableBuilder Table View, click on the Save Table, enter a unique name in the pop-up window, select Save, return to Datasets, and your table is now displayed in Save and Predefined Tables for National Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Health Survey 2018-19. This table is not populated with data. Tables are saved as shells so you can come back and rerun requests or edit existing tables at a later date.